Hello everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. Have you ever wondered how apps understand whether a message is happy, sad, angry, or positive? How email automatically detects spam? That's possible just because of text classification using artificial intelligence. Yes, today we are going to learn about text classifier extension, full tutorial in Ray's Playground Scratch AI. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own AI model that can understand text like a smart machine. So, got ready to explore AI in a simple and fun way? But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. And let's start coding and build your own AI text classifier. So let's go. So now, before we are going to start to learn about each and every block belongs to text classifier, first I will let you know what is text classification, how this text classification work in Ray's Playground. So let's go. Here, what is text classification? Text classification helps Scratch projects understand text. It means whatever the text written by the user, or you can say the player, this text is understood by the machine, or you can say by the AI, as a part of machine learning. Here we are writing some text and the machine will understand the text, and according to that it will give the result. Like you can identify the label like positive, negative, command types or categories. You can find out your text belongs to which label, what class you have identified. Machine will learn to understand your text, and on the basis of that it will give the result. This text classification extension you can use in AI chatbots, smart games, and voice or also text-based project. You are easily able to create such kind of project with the help of text classification extension. Okay. Now we're going to discuss about how we can use this text classification extension in Ray's Playground. Race, as we know, it's a AI playground for Scratch. It means it has so many extensions which is specially designed on the basis of AI technology. Here, this specially help for young learners to understand AI in a simple way. Here in text classification extension, the machine allowed to learn from the text examples. Here we create different labels, and on particular label we'll set multiple examples, and on the basis of this text example machine will learn how we're going to respond according to the situation, according to the text. So it works on the concept of machine learning. Simple concept. You create one label, on the basis of that you set multiple examples. These examples allow the machine to learn, and on the basis of that it will give its response. Okay, and now we are going to discuss each and every block of text classification extension. Then it will be very easy for you to understand how we can use this text classification extension in our amazing Scratch projects. So let's go. First here I will type Ray's Playground. It's here, and here I'm going to open on new tab. Yes. So this is the home screen of Ray's Playground. You can see there are multiple things it's supported by Ray's Playground, like image classification, text classification, natural language processing, and many more. Now first I'm going to open my playground. Okay. So this is the Ray's Playground platform. Here, if you want to change the sprite, you can choose. I just want to change the sprite. I will take another sprite. Okay, I will take this Abby. Okay, now I'm going to choose the extension, add the extension, and which extension we are going to choose, that is text classifier. Okay, you can see it has multiple blocks. One by one, we'll study each and every block and understand how these blocks will work for us to create amazing Scratch projects. Okay, so first block, if we will see, it's written Edit Model. Here you are able to create your own model, and when you want to edit it, so you can do it. First, you can see there are three buttons. One is add a label, clear all, and done. Add a label means where you can create the labels. And here, if you want to clear all the labels, all the data, so you can clear it out. And if your label and examples are done, so you can click on done, and then you can go back to your main screen. Okay. Here first I'm going to add some labels. I will add some labels on the basis of emotions. So I will choose happy and sad. Simple two labels I'll create over here. So I just click on add a label. So you can see there's some options come. One is class 1, done editing, delete label and add examples. So first in the class 1, I will add one label that is happy. Okay, now happy is a part of emotion. So here I can add some kind of sentences, some text which shows the happiness feeling, right? So I will add like in example, I am so happy. This is first. As many examples you add, it will really helpful for the machine to understand the text and it will respond easily according to the situation. Okay, now I will add some more examples like it's awesome. Okay, next, feeling good. It's great. I love it. So you can add according to your understanding. It doesn't matter. Just it will correctly show the emotions which you want to represent in front of others. Okay. So I added 4 examples. That would be enough. If you want to add more, as I told you, if you add more examples, it will help the machine to understand the text. Now I'm going to add one more label that is sad. Okay, now we can add more examples for it. I will add I am feeling low. Okay, I can add I am sad. Okay, and also I am not feeling good. Okay, and I don't like it. Okay, I have added some examples belongs to two classes. One is happy and another one is sad. Okay, now it's done for me. You can add multiple classes as per your wish. Please definitely try with the multiple classes so it will give you a great idea how the machine learning work. Okay, now I'll just click on done. Yes, now you can see here it's mentioned wait loading model. Our model is loading now, so we should wait until it's not loaded. You can see it's mentioned the model is ready. It means your model is loaded. Now this is about the first block which we have discussed about the text classification. Now I will show you the another block that is load slash save model. If you click over here, you will get three options. One is export classifier, another one is import classifier, choose file, no file chosen. Until the file is not chosen, it shows no file chosen, and the next one is done. Export classifier, when you want to export your classifier, like if you have seen, we have already created one classifier, and if you want to export it in your system, so you can do it. Just click on this. You can see it's downloaded, right? If you open it in the folder, you can see it shows over here, right? And now if you want to import it, you just click on the choose file and then click on your model and just open it. So you can see here the classifier info1 is chosen, right? And you can click on done. That is the same model which I have already created. We have uploaded the same model, so it doesn't matter because the model is same, so it will not get any confusion between that. Okay, now we'll go to the blocks and we'll understand how each and every block will work in text classification extension. I hope you understand till now. If you have any doubt, please mention in comment box section, so we'll help you. And if it's working, please mention it's working. I'm waiting for your comment. Okay, now we'll take this first block. Here if you will see, it shows enter text or answer block. Matches no label. Means here whatever the text you will write, how it's matched to the particular label. If I click on this drop down, you can see there are two labels, happy and sad, the labels which we have created. So on the basis of that, how my text is belongs to which label, is it true or false? If my text written over here, if I selected happy over here and if it is matched to the happy, then it will show true. If it is not, it will show false. Do you want to see? Okay. Now first, before we are going to write the text, I'll go to the event block and take when green flag click. Okay. Now to show the true and false statement, I'm going to create one variable, that is match. Okay. Now you can see it shows 0 till now. Now I will take the set block and place it over here and will put this block over here. Now in this I will write I am so happy. Simple statement, and here I will select my label happy. And now if I'll click on green flag, you will see the result. It shows true. It means the machine reading our text, and on the basis of that, it gives the right result. Now if I will choose sad, then you will see the result. False means this particular statement belongs to the happy label, not sad. If you can change this sentence, doesn't matter, the same sentence which you have write in examples, you can also change the sentence and you can try it, your model is working well or not. So I will write over here, I got a gift, which we have not written in examples. Now I will check with the happy first. Oh, it's so true, because whenever we'll receive any gift, definitely we feel happy, right? So you can see the match show true. And if I'll choose sad, it's false. Okay, I hope you understand this block. Now we'll move to the next block. This one is shows predict class for the enter text or the answer block. Whatever the block you can added or whatever the text you have written, on the basis of that, it will predict the class, which class is belongs to that particular text. We have created two class, happy and sad, and whatever the text we written, we will write over here. On the basis of that, this block will predict the class. Okay. For that, to show the class, we will going to create one more variable, that is prediction. So here I will type prediction, click OK, and now I will take set block and will place this block over here, and instead of match I will select prediction. And here I will type one text. I am good. Okay, this much only. And then we'll check. Okay, it shows happy. If I'm good, it means this kind of situation belongs to the happy class, right? And if I will write feeling low, then we'll check. Oh, it's sad. This kind of example we have added. You can change the situation and check. So it will really help you to understand how well the machine learned with your text. Okay. Now here we can type I am going to picnic. Simple statement, and let's check. It's happy, right? Because generally while we go out, definitely we feel happy. So I'm going to picnic, it means it shows the happy emotion, not sad. And if I will write I am crying, this kind of sentences we have not used in our example, so we'll check how they are working. It's simple, it's sad, right? I hope you understand how this block work, and amazingly make you understand how the machine read our text, and according to that it can give the result. Okay, now we'll move to the next block, that is confidence of predict class for enter text or answer block. This block is help you to find out the confidence level. It means from 0 to 100% how much machine is confident to give the result. If it is more than 50 or 50, it means the machine recognize well your text, and if it is less, so definitely machine give the result, but it itself is not much confident for the particular text. Okay, for this also we are going to create one variable, that is confidence percentage. Okay, our variable is ready, so we'll take this block and we'll place it over here. Okay, and now I'm going to write one text over here. So we'll write over here, I am so happy. Okay, and now we'll check. It shows 0.976877%. It means 97%. It's sure this kind of sentence belongs to the happy statement. Okay, the result whatever it provide, it is 97% sure. Okay, here I mentioned sad statement, so that's why it prediction show sad. If I'll copy the same sentence and if I'll paste it over here, and here also I will choose happy and paste the same sentence, and then you will see the result in all the situation. True, happy, and it is 97% sure, right? So this is the way how the machine learning show the confidence on the text which we have written. Okay, so if I'll change this statement, like suppose I will write I got a gift. This is not a direct happy statement, but indirectly we are going to show our happiness. So we'll change this, and now we'll see the effect. Okay, you can see the match is same, prediction is same, but the confidence percentage is become down. Why? Because this is not a direct statement to show your happiness, but machine read your text and it show the result on the basis of happiness feeling. It is 79% sure about that this statement is belongs to the happy class. I hope you understand till now. If you understand, please do with me so you can understand how we can use these text classifier blocks in our Scratch projects. Now we'll move to the next block, that is probability. Probability basically is based on what is the maximum probability belongs to the particular situation. Here if you will see, by default multiple classes are available like toxic, severely toxic and identity based attack, insulting, threatening, or profanity. These kind of class are already created and it has their own example which by default present over here. So on the basis of that you can check your text. It is how much probability belongs to the toxic, severely toxic, or insulting. Any one options you can choose over here. Okay, and this probability value give the result from negative to positive value, from -3 to +3. If the same text you will write, the maximum result it's given by the probability that is 3. Okay, and on the basis of that, if your text is completely opposite, so it will give the value in negative. Okay, so for that also we can create one more variable so you can see the value on screen. Here we'll create the variable and that is probability. Okay, so here is my variable probability and we'll take this block, select probability and we'll place this block over here. Now instead of any kind of happy and sad situation, we can choose the sentence which show toxicity, severely toxic, or any kind of insulting. You can use such kind of sentence and on the basis of that you can check the probability. Okay, first, like suppose I will write toxic, simple direct statement. Okay, which is belongs to that particular class. Might be because we don't know what kind of the examples are already entered with these kind of classes. Okay, so I will write toxic and will check the probability of this text. You can see here it shows 3. It means the maximum probability with this text which belongs to the toxic class, right? Now if I will change this one and I will write I don't like you. Simple statement I will write. In some wrong way, I'm going to tell to someone else. Okay. And now we'll see the probability. It shows 2. It means the probability become little down. This is toxic, not that much as compared to directly we use the toxic word. Okay. So this is the sentence belongs to the toxicity. Right? I don't like you. Directly you are telling someone that I don't like you. So that statement is belongs to the toxic sentences. Right? So on the basis of that, the probability get changed. And if I will mention I like you, definitely it's not toxic, right? And then we'll see how the probability get changed. 0. It means this is not at all toxic sentence, right? I hope you understand this, how it will work. This kind of statements we can use in our AI chatbots. We can create the different chatbots where we can chat with the machine on the basis of different statements. We can use our characters. On the basis of that we can create different scratch projects. And definitely in further videos also we use the text classifier and will make amazing scratch projects. So be with us, subscribe our channel and create amazing scratch projects. Okay, now we'll move to the next block, that is sentiment score. It means this kind of block is give the value from 0 to 1 in numbers, how much percent your sentiment belongs to the particular text. Like here I'll show you, then you understand how it will work. First again I will going to create one variable and here this variable is sentiment. I am giving the same name so it will not create any confusion. And now we'll take the set block. Here I will choose sentiments and we'll put this block inside it. And now I will write here one sentence, I love your dress. Okay, simple sentence I have written over here and we'll check how it's working. 0.75%. This value is given from 0 to 1. It means you can say this sentence show 75% sentiment according to which class it belongs. Okay, so in this sentence the sentiments are quite strong. Okay, If you will say, here I will write, I got the gift. Okay, it shows 0.5%. It means the sentiment of this sentence is around 50%. Okay, I hope you understand till now how we can use these blocks to show the match, prediction of class, probability, and the confidence percentage, and also the sentiment of your text. Okay, now we'll move to the next block. That is speak. Simple speak block you can use, like if I'll place it over here and then see the result. Hello. So here the machine says hello, right? And if you want to show what she said, so you can use look block, and here you can place it, right? Here I did the say block and it say hello. Directly you can change the statement, the text you can copy from here and paste it, and according to that it will show the result, like you can see over here. Hello. Right? Okay. Now you'll see the one more amazing effect belongs to the text classifier block. Okay. Now you can see this one block. Speak, how are you? Then listen for response. What do you mean by that? Here, first it will ask whatever the sentence written over here, then afterwards it will listen your response. And if you want to show this response on screen, so definitely you can do it. First I will remove this look block and will place it over here back again, and I will click on this response. Okay, now you can see one text classification response block is come over here, right? And now here it shows how are you. I will click and then it will speak how are you. Okay, let's check. Hello, how are you? I'm good. You can see it's written I am good. Okay, so whatever the response I have given, on the basis of that response is recorded and it's come on screen. And this response, if you want to represent it by any sprite, that also you can do it. How? Like I will take this say block and I will place it over here. Again I will go to the text classification and here I will place my response. Okay. Now do you want to see the effect again? Hello, how are you? I'm feeling good. You can see how the Abby is also respond, I am feeling good. Okay. So in this way, you can use your response and you can create AI chatbot or Scratch projects to create the chat between your sprites in your game. Okay. I hope you understand this, how it will work. Now we'll move to the next block, that is set voice to squeak. There are multiple options you have already seen. If you have seen our video belongs to text to speech, there are options like tenor, alto, giant. You can select this voice and according to that the voice get changed. If you want to select any voice command, so you can place it over here, and here instead of squeak I can use tenor also, and then you will see the result. Hello, how are you? See, the voice had changed, right? So it's simple. Whenever you want to change the voice, you can do it. And the last block belongs to the text classification is when hertz sound more than 10. You can change the value, make it 100. This is belongs to on the basis of loudness of your sound or whatever response you will give by speaking. On the basis of that, you can give the different commands to your sprite and make amazing Scratch projects. So this is all about text classification extension and the blocks belongs to it. All these blocks show amazing effect whenever you want to create some projects belongs to show the prediction result, or AI chatbots, negative positive value, and number of scratch projects. Like this, first you can enter the text and match with your class, prediction, confidence percentage, probability, sentiment, and also you will get the response from the user. I hope you understand and like this video. Try this and tell me if it is work for you. Please mention in comment box it's working. I am waiting for your response. And if you like it, please like, subscribe and share our channel for more amazing video. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.